Hello guys, it's me again, your friend Scott or Mr. CMT, and welcome back to my channel. Do you know any Filipinos or have a Filipino friend or even a relative who is a Filipino? Would it be nice if you know any Filipino or Tagalog words and use it at least to converse or make a small chat with your Filipino friends, or use it when you visit the Philippines? But before I start, I would like to ask you to check out my playlist and click the Learning Filipino Words so you can watch all the videos on how to speak the Filipino language or Tagalog. And please hit the subscribe button plus the notification bell to keep you updated every time I upload new videos. Learning Filipino words or Tagalog is very easy, and all you need to do is to familiarize yourself with the sounds of vowels. So let us start. Vowels like A, E, I, O, U is pronounced as A, E, I, O, U. Again, A, E, I, O, U. Now say it with me. A, E, I, O, U. Very good. Now, let us use it with the consonants. A or A in apple, in Tagalog, you don't say apple, you say apple. E or E in pet, not Pete, pet. I or E in kiss, not kiss, kiss. O or O in boss, not boss, boss. U or U in put, not pute, put. Now let us use a little Tagalog words to give you a jump start. Let us start with A. Ako. Ako. In English, me. Ako. Ako. E. Eroplano. Eroplano. In English, airplane. Aeroplano. Aeroplano. I. Ito. Ito. In English, this. Ito. Ito. O. Oo. Oo. In English, yes. Oo. Oo. U. Ulan. Ulan. In English, rain. Ulan. Ulan. Familiarizing yourself with how the vowel sounds and connecting it with consonants is the best way to learn how to pronounce every Tagalog words. Tagalog words are spoken how it is spelled and how it sounds. That easy, right? So go ahead, start practicing your Tagalog now by reading Tagalog words and saying it out loud. So there you go guys, I hope you have learned something from this video, and if you want me to do more Tagalog tutorials, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to put your comment on the comment section below so I will know to do more videos like this. Please don't forget to follow me on all my social media accounts, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe by clicking the subscribe button or the Mr. CMT logo. And once again, this is Scott and you are watching Mr. CMT. Paalam or bye for now.